Hello, glad to have you join us once again on the 3 days weather forecast with Paul Ugbah. The satellite imagery before us shows cells of thunderstorms in central and southern parts of Chad as well as the Central African Republic areas. These storms are expected to grow bigger and propagate along this trajectory shown in black into the country and affect the northeastern parts of the country on Thursday. And so for the rest of Thursday evening and Thursday night, we expect these thunderstorms to affect parts of Borno State and parts of Bauchi, Gombe, Taraba, and Benue states. Other parts of the north are expected to be cloudy, with prospects for rains around the central parts of Kaduna and Niger State. We also expect rains to affect the inland cities of the southeast down to the southeast coast, while the southwest inland areas are expected to be cloudy. The high impact forecast from the expected rainfall around the northeastern parts of the country is expected to be minimal, as we expect moderate impact from the thunderstorms over the northeastern parts of the country. However, the places shown in green are expected to have little or no devastating impact from the expected rainfall on Thursday. Maximum temperature forecast on Thursday is expected to reach 44 degrees Celsius over Dusi and 33 over Katsina areas. Towards the central parts of the country, we expect to see a temperature range of 26 degrees Celsius over Jos and 32 degrees Celsius over Yola areas. Towards the southern parts of the country, we expect to see a range of 28 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. By Friday morning, we expect weather to be fine across most parts of the country. However, there are prospects for thunderstorms around Kano areas and also around Birnin Kebbi areas, extending to parts of Niger State. The central parts of the country are expected to be cloudy, while the inland cities of the southeast extending to the coastal areas have prospects for some light rains. The inland cities of the southwest are, however, expected to be cloudy. But by afternoon of Friday, there are higher prospects for thunderstorms likely to affect parts of Jalingo, extending to Bauchi and towards the Birnin Kebbi areas, while the central parts of the country down to the south have prospects for rains. Maximum temperature forecast on Friday is expected to drop slightly to 33 degrees Celsius over Duse areas and also 31 degrees Celsius over Katsina, while the central parts of the country are expected to see a temperature range between 27 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius over Yola. The southern parts of the country should watch out for a temperature range of 29 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. By Saturday morning, we also expect weather to be fine across most parts of the country, with prospects for thunderstorms over parts of Maiduguri, the southern part of Maiduguri, and also the northern part of Yola. We also expect thunderstorms around Birnin Kebbi areas, but the prospects over this area are very, very small. The central parts of the country have prospects for some rainfall extending to the southeastern part of the country, talking about Calabar, Port Harcourt, and also the Owerri areas. The southwestern inland is expected to be cloudy. By afternoon of Saturday, we expect more prospects for thunderstorms over most parts of the north, as we expect places extending from Yola down to Guzau area and also in parts of Niger State to be affected by these storms, while the inland cities of the south extending to the coastal areas have prospects for rainfall. The central parts of the country, talking about Abuja and also parts of Nasarawa State and Kogi, are also expected to watch out for some light rains. Maximum temperature forecast on Saturday is expected to range between 30 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius over the north, and towards the central parts of the country we expect to see a range from 27 degrees Celsius over Jos to 34 degrees Celsius in Yola. The southern parts of the country are expected to see a temperature range of 28 degrees Celsius over Lagos areas and 31 degrees Celsius in other parts. This is where we'll draw the curtains for the 3 days forecast. Thanks for watching and see you again.